have a right to perform action but not to decide result. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 16, Dev Asur Sampati Vibhag Yog. The Supreme Divine Lord said, O Skyona Bharat, the virtue of the endowed with the divine nature are fearlessness, purity of heart, steadfastness in yoga, spiritual knowledge, charity, control of the senses, performance of yajna, sacrifice, study of the scriptures, austerity and straightforwardness, non-violence, truthfulness, absence of anger, renunciation, peacefulness, aversion to fault finding, compassion towards all beings, absence of greed, gentleness, modesty, lack of fickleness, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, bearing enmity towards none, and absence of vanity. O Parth, hypocrisy, arrogance, self-conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance are the qualities of those who possess a demoniac nature. The divine qualities lead to liberation, while the demoniac qualities to bondage. O Arjun, grieve not as you are born with divine virtues. O Arjun, in this world there are two types of beings, the divine and demoniac. I have described the divine in detail. Now listen about the demoniac. Those of demoniac nature do not know what actions are proper and what are not. They neither possess purity nor conduct is good, are not even truthful. They, demoniac, say that the world is unreal, without cause, without a creator, without supreme controller, is created from the union of the two sexes and has no purpose other than sexual gratification. Holding fast to such views, these ruined souls with meager intellect and cruel actions act as enemies of the world, threatening its destruction. Filled with insatiable lust, motivated by hypocrisy, pride and arrogance, the demoniac hold on to their false values through delusion and work with impure resolve. They have endless anxieties which end with death. They feel that sensual gratification and accumulation of wealth is the highest purpose of life with certainty. Bound by hundreds of desires, given over to lust and anger, strive to accumulate wealth by unjust means for the fulfillment of their desires. The one who is demoniac thinks, I have gained so much wealth today, will fulfill my desires. This is mine, and tomorrow I shall have even more. I destroyed that enemy, and I shall destroy the others also. I am like God. I am the enjoyer, powerful and happy. I am wealthy and have highly placed relatives. Who else is equal to me? I shall perform yajna, shall give alms, shall rejoice. Thus demoniac are deluded by ignorance. They, the demoniac nature, possessed by imaginations and anxieties, in a web of delusion and addicted to the gratification of sensual pleasures, fall into the worst hell. Such self-egoistic and stubborn people, full of pride, with arrogance of wealth, perform yajna, sacrifices, just for name only, with no regard to scriptural procedures. Under the influence of vanity, strength, arrogance, lust and anger, the demoniac abuse me, who is present within their own body and is the bodies of the others. I constantly hurl these cruel and hateful persons, unworthy and lowest of humankind, into the wombs of those with similar demoniac nature in the cycle of rebirth. O son of Kunti, Arjun, these ignorant souls take birth again and again in demoniac wombs, do not attain me, and gradually sink to even worse types of existence. There are three doorways to hell: lust, anger, and greed, which are destructive for the soul. Therefore, these three must be abandoned. O son of Kunti, the one who is free from the three gates to darkness strives for welfare of the soul and attains the supreme goal. He who acts under the impulse of his desires, discarding the scriptural injunctions, does not attain perfection or happiness or the supreme goal. Therefore, let the scriptures, Vedic, be your guiding authority in deciding what should be done and what not. And having understood the scriptural injunctions, you should perform your actions. Om Tat Sat. Thus in Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishad, the science of Brahma, the scripture of Yoga, dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjun, the chapter 16, named Dev Asur Sampati Vibhag Yoga, is over. Thanks for watching, and if you have liked, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.